Hey, what's up guys? This is hopefully going to be a pretty chill video. I recently won a giveaway on Colorverse's Instagram page because they hit 10,000 followers. They hosted like a giveaway where I believe 5 people won, and you got a $100 gift card and free shipping from the Colorverse website. So these are all of the inks I got with that. But this is going to be just a chill video. I have some lemonade, and we're just going to take a look at all these inks. We're going to swatch them all and see what they look like. Let's get into it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with the inks. I actually already started opening before I started recording. Sorry about that. Let's move these back and give us some more room. So I got the mini collection, which is actually even smaller than I thought it would be. These are tiny. They're 5 milliliters each. I didn't really look at it. These are what, 30 milliliters? Doesn't say. Yeah, 30 milliliters, and I believe their smaller bottles are 10 or 15, and these are 5. So when they say mini, they mean it. But it's a like create your own mini collection. I don't remember how much it costs. I left the paper over there, but I'll throw up the price on the video. And you get to choose 3 inks from their options. There we go. So I went with these 3. Nope. I guess those are the options it gives you for the inks you can choose. Oh yeah, perfect. So it is 15 milliliters. And each one is a 5 milliliter bottle and a pipette, which I left a pipette that came with this one on my desk, but you'll see the other 2. So very handy. So lots of options for inks to choose. First one is Crystal Planet. It looks like a very nice light blue from what I saw on the website. I'm just trying to decide if I want to open the box, swatch, move on to the next box, or open them all and then swatch them. I will open the box, swatch it, move on to the next one. That way if you're interested in a specific ink, you can just skip to that part and be done with it. Look how tiny it is. I have a TWSBI swipe for reference. Teeny, 5 milliliters. That's a little bit more than you get in a sample. I think a sample is what, usually 2 milliliters? Whew, boy. Teeny tiny, but adorable. So Crystal Planet has a cute little bear. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ugh, so tiny. Can I even get a Q-tip in there? Barely. A bit darker than I was expecting, but still quite nice. I forgot to bring a paper towel. I will use a tissue. So yeah, that is, okay, yeah, as it's drying, yeah, it looks lighter. Okay, nice. I'm not going to completely fill out the swatches with all the information I do on the back because I don't have that pulled up. Normally I do like a little, I do some quick notes on the back about what I think about it, as well as a little thing that shows how wet it is. But I'm not going to do that now because I don't have it pulled up. I usually get the wetness data from Goulet, but I'm not going to do that. So this is Colorverse Crystal Planet. And I'm currently writing this with a TWSBI swipe smoke with Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi, however you pronounce it. I thought that'd be a nice option because they're both kind of like this blackish gray burnt charcoal vibe. Perfect. So yeah, there is Crystal Planet. Let's go ahead and move on to Brane. The reason I got Brane is because I already have string, but I didn't have Brane. And if you don't know, they come as a set. But when I got string, it was just string. So I thought I would go ahead and complete the set while I had the opportunity. There we go. And now you'll get to see that cute little pipette it comes with. It's all bent out of shape, which kind of concerns me because with this plastic, I feel like that could give it a hole. But I'm honestly probably never going to use these. I have no use for them, but they're there. So Brane Glistening. Glistening with Colorverse just means that it has shimmer. Give me the paper. Okay. See if I can open this. Oh, the bottle's so small, it just says Brane G. I don't know if they do that for bigger bottles as well. As far as I'm aware, they don't. Bile. This paper doesn't really show shimmer, if I remember correctly. This is just the coloring ink testing book. I don't think it shows shimmer too well. It can show sheen if it's a high amount of sheen, but I don't think it does shimmer. Yeah, I see no shimmer there. In the future, I will put it on some Kokio campus paper and see how it looks. So, Colorverse. Brane Glistening. Easy peasy. Not the worst color I've ever seen. Not my favorite, but not the worst. I honestly never planned to use that ink. Only got it to complete that string set. Moving on, we have Lights on Ceres. When I was thinking about all the inks I could potentially buy, Lights on Ceres was one of my options for a bigger bottle, but I ended up choosing different ones. But I still kind of wanted to try it, so I was really happy when I saw it was an option for the mini collection. I also really wanted North Carolina Tar Heel one, but you can't buy that on their website, even if you're shipping it to the US, because it's a US exclusive, so you can only buy it from a US retailer, which kind of stinks. But I think this would be a nice color. Lights on Ceres. Number 5. Wow, so this was the 5th ink they came out with, which I believe is the lowest number here. Yeah, 12, 26, 76, 78, 19, 63, and 64. Yeah, number 5. Wow, I wonder what number 1 is. I remember seeing it, but I don't remember what it was called. But this is looking like it'll be a nice hot-ish pink. Oh yeah. Very nice. I'm liking that. That's kind of like a hot bubblegum pink. Over here, where it's more concentrated, it looks closer to a hot pink. But then over in the not so concentrated area, it looks more like bubblegum. And based on that, I think there might be a decent amount of shading when I write with it. Maybe. This paper doesn't really show the actual qualities of the ink very well. That will come in later testing when I actually put these in pens, which is going to take me a while to get through all of these inks and fully test them out in a pen. But I do look forward to doing that eventually. Lights on Ceres. definitely a fan of that. I will use that at some point, for sure. I'll probably use Crystal Planet as well. Main thing is I want to give a sample to someone who I know will like that color. We'll move on to Rainy Day. This is also a color I'm looking forward to. Looks like a nice kind of grayish blue, potentially tealy, but I'm thinking more gray blue than teal. Come on. And it comes with, I think this is like all of their bigger bottles. Comes with some stickers. Oh, that's cute. It has the stickers for all of the inks in the collection, not just the one you get. So that's sweet. So I get 2 sets of that because I have another one in the collection, which is the Joy in the Ordinary collection. Season 6, Earth Edition, Joy in the Ordinary. Very cute. There's a QR code if you want to go to the detail page. Very adorable. I'm not cutting out the sound I make, by the way. I hope you enjoyed them. Oh yeah. I like that. That gives me like beachy linen laundry vibes. I don't know why. Well, I know why the beachy vibe, but oh yeah, I like that. That looks very nice. So this is Colorverse Rainy Day. I could probably stop saying Colorverse. Throw up a count of how many times I've said Colorverse. I think I would do that because it sounds funny, but then I actually have to count how many times I say Colorverse, and I don't know if I'm actually going to do that because that sounds very annoying. You'll see when you watch the video. Rainy Day. That's looking very nice. Very, very nice. Now one of the ones I'm most looking forward to. I'm not going to say it's the one, but one of the ones, because I am currently on a little adventure looking for the perfect gray ink to go into my Pelikan M200 Silver Pearl. This will be my 3rd ink I've tried, I believe. Oh, hey. Rainy Day didn't have this. Right? I'm pretty sure it didn't have that. Weird. My other Colorverse bottle that's this size does. Odd. Same stickers, same paper. Just has this as well for some reason. I'm gonna get rid of it so that way they're even. These are screwed tightly, which is good. Don't want them to leak all the way from Korea. Not as dark as I was hoping for, but that could be a good match. I will definitely, once I run out of ink in the Pelikan, I'll definitely give this ink a try. I currently have another Colorverse Gray in it, One Small Step. I do like it. That might work. I'll definitely have to try it out. Oh, I had 2 papers. Might be. Colorverse, Colorverse, Colorverse. Under the Shade. Very nice. Looks like it'll have some nice shading as I write as well. Let's see. I'm gonna move to this one next. Because 19 is my favorite number and I love red inks and Redshift sounded cool, so that's why I went with this one. So I'm going to save that for last just because it's my favorite number. This one is the one I'm most excited for color-wise. These two colors look really nice. And Mars is always cool. Come on, buddy. Trying to be careful and not damage the boxes. Very nice. The Red Planet, Season 5. Map of Mars, Mars Attacks, Mariner 4, Allen Hills, Dust Storm, and Vallis Marineris. Marineris? I don't know. I don't speak that. Opportunity, Spirit, Martian, Life on Mars. Life on Mars looks interesting, as well as Opportunity, in my opinion. We have more stickers, bookmarks, pin stand, or a bookmark, a book stand, and the Colorverse napkin, which comes with all of their sets, I believe. Trying to get the tab that says open, but it's very difficult to get. Okay. Come on. Alrighty. So we'll start with the smaller bottle first, which is Mars Attacks. Ooh, yes, please. I'm a fan of that. Colorverse. Mars Attacks. That is very nice looking. I love that color. Can't tell if it was just the Q-tip, but it seems like it was a bit drier than the other inks we've gone through so far. God, testing the minis with the Q-tips, I probably sucked up like half the ink in them with the Q-tip. Jeez. There's so many. For some reason I thought they were just going to be like this size. But now that I know, it makes more sense that it's that. Here's their big size, so you can get an idea. Big, small, and then the mini, which is tiny. So let's take a look at Map of Mars, which also looks like it will be a nice color. Looks like it'll be tealy. Ooh. Oh my. Oh, that's a nice blue. Oh. Not as tealy as the label made me think, but that is quite nice. It is kind of, maybe it's in the teal family, but like a light blue. Teal. Yeah, it's kind of tealy, but not as dark as the label. Colorverse. Map of Mars. Very swag. So we'll go ahead and close that up. Oh, I'm going to put the stuff back in that goes with it. Those are very nice. And then Redshift, it should just be same colors, but 2 bottles of it. Colorverse, customize your universe. Season 3, Multiverse. Season 4, Trailblazer in Space. Season 5, The Red Planet. I like the cat one, Felicet. I don't know. Looks awesome though. And we got, looks like 2 sets of stickers. One for the season, I'm guessing, and then one for Redshift. And then the bookmark, pen stand, and napkin. Standard stuff. That bit came out a little bit easier this time. And they are indeed the same inks, just as I expected. Just different size bottles. We'll just go ahead and sample the small one. Why, you ask? I don't know. I just picked it. Alright, let's hope I like this as much as I think I will. My favorite number. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, it's like a pinky red. Or a reddish pink. Pinkish red. It's pink and red. It looks like it's such a hot pink to the point of becoming red. Oh, yeah, I love it. I'm glad I went with that. Colorverse Redshift. I recommend looking up, I'll link the Wikipedia article in the description if I remember. Look up what Redshift is, because it's actually pretty interesting. I didn't know until I saw the ink and wanted to look it up. But it's pretty neat. That is awesome. I love that. It's, yeah, as it's drying, it's definitely more of a hot pink than red. But it's got some red, especially up in here. That is awesome. So those are all of the inks. We had Crystal Planet, Brane Glistening, Lights on Ceres, which you can compare those 2 pinks. This is a lot more bubblegummy. We had Rainy Day, Under the Shade, Mars Attacks, Map of Mars, and Redshift. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of these, please let me know and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.